Hello everybody, today we will stretching our leg and how to do split. And if you want to do easy like that, stay with me. And I will show you some exercises which help you warm up your leg and do amazing split. So we will get started working. If you have bad stretching, you can use this. So if you want to do right, stay with me. I will show you. We can do this. Do element, not like this, okay? Our back must be like that. So, we will take leg and start to slowly open it. And be careful with your back. So, you not do like that, okay? You better do like this. So, we will get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we take leg more for ourselves and stay in this position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. After that, we will try to take leg and slowly take down 1, 2, and be careful not do like that, okay? We will do like this. So 2, 3, 4 and 5. Good work. After that, we will try to take leg in our hand and try to take it a little bit in the side that form up our hip. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Good work. After that, I will try to take back leg more for ourselves. This is like I will turn like that. This is leg strange. And we take hands more for our leg and take breath out and stretch down. 2, good work. 3, 4, and on 5 we will try relax and take breath out and stretch. So 1, 2, 3. So guys, if you want do right exercise, so stay with me, it's so important. So after that we will try to take our feet, take feet more for ourselves and slowly open it with feet on ourselves. So 2, 3, 4 and 5. Try to take it more. So good work. We'll slowly take 2 feet on ourselves. Try to take this subtract. Take hands strong. Slowly breathe out and relax. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly back. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you like it. Subscribe me, take me likes, and watching my other videos because there is very important information if you want to have a good split. So bye bye.